it really offers an opportunity for a humanitarian legalization of status. And I have seen USCIS routinely forgive misrepresentation issues by good people who have made a mistake or had a misunderstanding, and they waive that because, well, first of all, forgiveness is important, right? The idea of being in the United States and our entire country is about like starting a fresh life in a new country, right? America is a land of immigrants. But the other side of it is if you were a USCIS officer and you were thinking, stop human trafficking, forgive this guy for something he said wrong at an interview, like which one's more important, right? We're going to focus on the trafficking. And if that's going to require forgiving this guy, they're both going to end up in the same basket. We're going to approve him, right? So there's different levels of priority in terms of what the USCIS office will look at. But overall, immigration violations are low on the totem pole. It means that they're not that hard to forgive. People who have super serious criminal histories, like really egregious histories, those are going to be harder cases to get a T approval for. So I won't turn this whole session into T visas, but I did just want to say, because it's a lot of the work that I do, if you've had a denied PIP case, please consider having a second opinion about other immigration options. All right, so now I know that a lot of you are probably watching on phones, so you may not be able to see what I want to share. So I'm going to read through it as well. I just don't want people to miss out on this because this was something that I really wanted to share today, and it's about free legal options. So we're going to see if we can't share the screen here. And now my head's like this tiny on your phone, so I'm sorry. All right, so, okay. The American Immigration Lawyers Association Military Assistance Program. We have a great program here, except I need to scroll up to the top. All right, so this is the section on the this is the section on the American Immigration Lawyers Association website. So this is not USCIS. This is a private attorneys association that has like a listserv where if you want to do a free or pro bono immigration representation of someone who's in the military or a military family member, then you can sign up to participate, and you get amazing resources, and you get to work with the coolest people. And in terms of immigration professionalism, just an incredible association to be a part of. And so if you are somebody who needs free immigration help, here are the requirements to qualify for the AILA MAP Military Assistance Program. Number one, you've got to be an active duty service member for more than 30 days, or you could be a recent veteran completing service within the past 2 years. Now, those are not PIP requirements, right? So we've done cases for veterans who served 15, 20 years ago. This is just if you're trying to get free legal services through the AILA MAP program, that's one of their requirements. Another requirement for getting the free legal help through AILA MAP is that you're currently unrepresented by an attorney, which is hopefully a lot of you watching today who don't have an attorney, and often because you can't afford one. So if that's your situation, then you may want to try the AILA MAP program. I have to say that people who I know who participate in the program are some of the top attorneys in the country. It's like a project of like love and admiration for country and for service people that they do this work and take on a few cases each year. So sometimes people complain like, what can a free attorney really do? But this is often like extremely expensive attorneys taking on a few free cases a year. So I've been very happy with the help that I've gotten as an attorney from the program and to help other people. And I think that most people who participate in this program as the clients end up being really happy too.